So our society was established in 1969, and we are around 200 plus, less than 300 medical oncologists. So we started a small group. These are medical oncologists, and we have a mission of giving education to the public at large and to our different allied professionals about cancer. And of course, we also advance science and practice oncology in a holistic and ethical approach. And we also nurture our members for their welfare. So it's actually the first choosing wisely in the Philippines, and we're very glad. And I know that it is the young blood who actually organized this activity. And as a president, I am so proud of them. They work a lot on this, and we are, of course, very supportive of this activity, choosing wisely, and even the discussion on the 10 low values that has an impact on cancer patients. I think this is a very good topic, especially that we know that as professionals in terms of managing cancer patients, we have to give the best quality of care for these cancer patients. I think currently the challenge is to have more medical oncologists. As you know, I have mentioned earlier that we're just 300 in the country, and there's 120 million population. So if you look into that ratio, so I hope we can encourage more doctors to go into medical oncology. We have a lot of training institutions, and we hope there will still be more training institutions so that we can produce more medical oncologists and spread throughout the archipelago. I would like to thank the eCancer Global Foundation for this support. I know that you have a very good mission vision, and you go around the Philippines and of course the world. And we hope to do it, of course, when I say around the Philippines, I hope we can do it in another island or another. We have Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. We are now in Luzon. Hopefully we can go in another place and have this again. And we, of course, hope that this will be a yearly thing. Why not, right? With this campaign event, I think it's a very good idea to incorporate it yearly in one of our activities as a society.